Hi everyone, welcome back to Triplezon. In today's video, we're exploring the best hydrogen water ionizer machine you can find today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Amzani PDC-01. Let's get started. Product feature. This innovative 3-in-1 device allows you to drink hydrogen-rich water or use the two included nasal suction tubes to inhale hydrogen directly from the base, giving you multiple ways to support your wellness journey easily. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to the thoughtful design, where both the top and bottom parts of the bottle unscrew completely, making it simple to keep your water container clean and hygienic for daily use. Using advanced SPE and PEM electrolysis technology, this machine rapidly generates high concentrations of hydrogen without any unwanted odors, ensuring every sip is pure and refreshing for your body. You get incredible potency with this system, reaching 3,000 to 4,000 ppb in just 5 minutes, or an ultra-high 6,000 to 8,000 ppb in 10 minutes, providing antioxidant levels comparable to hundreds of fruits and vegetables. The 2200 mag large capacity battery and one-button operation make it perfect for a busy lifestyle, allowing you to create health-boosting water anywhere from the office to the gym with total ease and convenience. Built with safety in mind, it features durable food-grade materials and a superior sealing design, complemented by non-slip EVA pads on the base to keep the bottle secure and stable while it works its magic. Regular use of this hydrogen water supports your metabolism, improves sleep quality, and enhances athletic performance, making it a truly thoughtful and practical gift for your loved one's health and happiness. Pros: this machine is a total game changer for anyone wanting to invest in their long-term health. We love how versatile it is with the inhalation option, and the sheer speed at which it reaches those high hydrogen levels is impressive. It feels sturdy and premium in your hand, while the non-slip base shows they really thought about the user experience. It's a wellness companion that fits your life. Cons: to keep it performing at its best, you do need to stick strictly to plain drinking water, so no juices or teas can go inside. Also, you must remember to keep the bottle upright during the electrolysis process to ensure everything functions perfectly, which requires just a little bit of extra attention during your busy day. Final thoughts. Choosing to prioritize your well-being is a beautiful gift to yourself and your family. The Amzani PDC-01 makes that choice simple and stylish. Whether you're looking to boost your energy or just want a better night's rest, having this level of technology at your fingertips is incredibly empowering. It's more than just a bottle. It's a commitment to a more vibrant and refreshed version of you. Your health is worth the investment. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Triplezon and like this video to stay updated on the best wellness tech. See you in the next one.